If you've been working in Khan Academy and you have not been getting mastery challenges, or you haven't, it doesn't show that you've mastered any of your skills, maybe you've just been doing practice, and there's a couple things that I can suggest so that you can make sure you maximize your achievement and extra credit in Khan Academy. And so one thing to make sure when you go to your home, when you're on the home screen, make sure first of all that it says the course that you're in. So this one is high school geometry, or you might be in high school algebra 2 or something like that. So make sure you're in the right course. And then here I've got three different options: explore, practice, and mission. You want to spend most of your time in practice, and so when you go to practice, you can practice by making sure you're on this practice tab here, and then you can say continue practicing, and it takes you to your next topic. And these 5 dots that are down here at the bottom, those indicate how many correct problems you have answered in a row. If you can answer 5 in a row correctly, then it says that you're doing well and you're ready to move on to your next topic. And so you want to pay attention to those dots. If one of them stays open, then that means you got one wrong, and so you still have to keep going until you get 5 in a row correct, so that will be able to show up on a mastery challenge. So that's when you're in the practice mode, you want to make sure you answer 5 in a row correctly. And so when all 5 of those dots are filled in, then you know you've answered 5 in a row, and it'll tell you that looks like you understand it, so time to move on. And so I'm going to exit back out of this. Another thing that you can look at is I'm going to go from the practice mode now to mission. And under mission, it shows me how I'm doing on the mission. It shows me how many skills I've mastered here on the left, and at each level, and how the percentage of progress I've made in the course. And then also, since I have done several practice topics successfully, it says that I have a mastery challenge ready, and that is what I need to do to get the extra credit. And so that again came from the mission tab. So I'll go back to where I was. I was on the practice mode, and then I changed to mission, and under mission, that's where I see my mastery challenge. And so anytime you have a mastery challenge there, you want to go ahead and do that, because that's how you're going to get your extra credit. If you don't have a mastery challenge there, you need to go back to practice mode. So I'm going to go back and continue practicing until I can get 5 in a row in several topics, and that way a mastery challenge will appear. And sometimes it doesn't let you do 2 mastery challenges in a day, and so you have to wait. Sometimes it's 8 hours, or overnight. You come back the next day and a mastery challenge will be available for you. So hopefully that answered your questions, and if you are still not getting mastery challenges, then see me and we'll sit down and try to figure out what it is that you're doing.